how to see recently deleted messages on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your messages, and here you will see your inbox. Now what you want to do next is to choose the conversation that you want to delete. So let's say this one, I want to delete this. So all you have to do is to long press that and tap on delete and just confirm delete. And now we have now successfully deleted messages. So to be able to see the recently deleted messages that you have is on the upper left, you will see edit. Tap on edit there, and on the very last option there, you will see show recently deleted. Tap on there, and here you will see all your recently deleted messages. So keep in mind that these messages are only there up until 40 days, and after 40 days, it will automatically be deleted from your phone. And basically, that is how you see recently deleted messages on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.